Okay, this is a sticky glue again from, this is from iCraft. Okay, because I personally use this glue for the gliding purpose, so I love this glue. Okay, because it has not water. Okay, so because it's too much sticky, so what you are going to, you have to, you know, you where you want to apply, just apply the random brushes. Okay, like this, like, firstly you have to apply. I have just told you this thing because if you don't have the gliding, then you could directly, what you can do, you can directly just make the frame with your metallic paint. Okay, so only because of this reason I have just told you that how we can give it to make the frame with our metallic color. Okay, now what you need to do, you can use this is my gliding glue. As you can see that many there are so many brands who are working in this field, and you can use, you have to apply like this. Okay, and don't worry, in gliding glue, you know, there's so many things, gets lots of wastage in gliding. So now what you need to do, from brush, or if you have, okay, so what you can do, you can use the brush like this, just remove the excess part. Okay, this is this how you can design your frame, okay, like this. But this part has little bit, it's okay. This few you can do color, but it's okay. If you want, you can more decorate it, and if you want, you can apply some. Yeah, there is much little bit glue here, so the foiling has come here, but it's okay. Not, we will be needing little bit foiling. From your metallic wax, it your frame would not be perfect. So because of this reason, I have told you this gliding technique, okay. And recently Let's Get Crafting has launched gliding foil. So she has also the amazing 3 colors. Now just taking randomly, and after that we will remove it. It's I hope guys it's you liking it. Just I got little bit, so you can just place it like this, okay. And nothing is going to, the gliding effect, such a beautiful effect they give it. Now just rub it. Okay. So now our vintage frame bag is ready, and your fox leather bag, okay. And with like you have used the fabric deco magic and how it's work, and I hope guys you have given at least minimum 2 coats, and for maximum you can give it to 3 coat, okay, for your whole bag. And make sure, yeah, the glue should be everywhere, okay. For better result, I would suggest you do at least 3 coats on your bag, okay. So, and even if you make the cushion, and this technique also you can apply on the tote bag as well, okay. Tote bag like canvas bag, cotton bag, okay. So there is no rush, like you have to use only these bags, okay, because I just want to make sure that people can learn it very easily. So I just want to tell the people, then they can easily wipe it, okay. So again I'm saying it's washable, but I would not suggest do the wash in the bucket, okay. And how I'll clean it, I'm going to show you, okay. So from 2 things, I'm going to clean it with my tissue, and I will clean my cotton cloths, okay, because I have just because I am using this cloth, okay. And this is my cotton cloth, and I will tell you how to clean your with your sponge, okay. Any kind of sponge you have it, okay. Just take a small piece of sponge and just clean it, okay. And there is this method I'll tell you. So what I am going to do, I am going to take my little bit of sponge from my, so this is my sponge. Okay, firstly I am going to share with you like how to clean with your tissue. Okay, so this is my tissue which I am going to use. I have just folded like this. Now I am going to dip in water and just soaking the water. Now how I am going to clean, just open it and just clean it, and you can see like, see, this nothing is coming out, no color is coming out, so you can clean it like this. Okay, such a simple step. And why your bag would be dirty? Okay, so if you, and just clean it. If you are coming with your market, you can like if you are coming back to from your market, you can use this technique. Okay, and after that, if you have you like, you can just use your dry cloth. Okay, and just soak it like this. See how easy it is. So this is this is a very simple step, and I just want people can learn it. And see, these colors are the best for fabrical, colors are the best for the fabric. Okay, even you can use the chalk paint as well. Metallic paints are also very good. Okay, now I am going to show you from sponge. Okay, now I'll dip my sponge
If
in
you
the
like my
water
videos,
and
please
just soak
like,
it.
share and subscribe.
Okay, we need little bit in water in our sponge. Okay, now what you need to do, you have to just clean it like this. Okay, so your dust will come on your sponge. Okay, now take your dry cloth and just clean it. And from the same step, you can use your cloth and you can just clean it. Okay, so even this is my dark color. Now I'm taking little bit water in my cloth. This is my cotton cloth. So see, just clean it like this. Okay, see, nothing is coming out. You can see it. No color, no tissue, no paper. Okay, so and please make sure you have to give at least 3 coats to your bag if you want to make more protect your bag from water. And